Hey Jeremy, what are the top
Hello.
challenges of running DevRel today?
Oh, that's great. I think some of the challenges, say the ones that definitely come to mind, are that a lot of companies don't really know what they want or expect out of their DevRel team, and so they end up with a organization that uh, is out doing what they need to be doing to work with the developer community and to build relationships, but they don't have anything to really tie it back to within the company. And some of that's part of the company not really knowing what they want, but also it's the teams not knowing the right questions to ask, how to work within the communities, how to work within the company, and really kind of build those relationships and have a uh, things that are able to track. I think that's kind of the second piece too, is not tracking the um, metrics and results and such that they should be, and being able to tie that back to uh, what the company is wanting to do. And I think those are two of them. And I think third is the economic uncertainty. I think it ties into both of those. Is that companies look at DevRel organizations, and for the most part, they tend to be the they view them as big cost centers, which they are. DevRel is a cost center; it's not a an income stream, and so they say, well, we can just get rid of this because we don't really need it. We don't know what the value is. It's not been able to be uh, shared. It's not something that's been able to be propagated throughout the company, and so they drop them. And then those DevRel teams are left trying to find a new thing. And then that company realizes, oh wait, we just got rid of the people that directly impact our relationships with the community and how people know about us and find out about us and interact with us and how we interact with other companies and their teams. And then they go out and hire again, and it's just this continual cycle. So I think those are three of the challenges that immediately come to mind. I'm sure we could spend hours on finding others.